Hello everyone, today we're at Pop Century Resort. It's a Disney property resort. Disney Skyliner Gondola. As you can see, it goes over the water here. Today is January the 3rd and it's 88 degrees today in January. Beautiful. We cannot wait to get on this new Skyliner. If you have not stayed at Pop Century, it's a pretty nice resort. This is beautiful. Beautiful day. Pop Century. If you've never stayed at the Pop Century, there's multiple areas and categories. There's a golf cart coming my way. Hang on a second. Different areas in the Pop Century. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. We have other videos out showing different locations of this Skyliner. This is called Hourglass Lake because of the shape. Helicopter above. Sorry, it's kind of 88 degrees in January. One of the biggest reasons why we moved from up north down here to Florida. Back home in January it would be ice cold, 30, 40 degrees. There's an employee up on top of that. I think they're running the lines today. So we might be in luck to see some construction going on. Man, what a beautiful place. Look at this. How many remember one of those? Absolutely beautiful out today. I'm glad we came over here today. Me and my wife, we're heading to Animal Kingdom. You'll see these golf carts coming down these roads here at Pop Century all the time. Actually, all the resorts here. But look at that. But look at that. That is the new Skyliner, people. This is an historic event going on here at the Disney World resorts. It's coming from the resorts going to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Check out our other videos of the other locations. We'll keep coming back and doing more of this as the construction progresses. I'd have to say, this is probably one of the most beautiful spots for this to be put. They really did their job in the research in this area. This resort is beautiful. You come in here, you got all the choices, all the Disney resorts. We've had friends stay at this resort many times, and they love it. They keep coming back to it. They don't go to the other ones. It's cool they have these signs all along this walkway. You can't beat this view, guys. This is amazing. You can see the construction worker up on top of the plank there. So what you're going to do is you're going to be able to, if you stay at this resort, get on this, go over to the transfer area, in another video I'll show you, and then you can go to the Caribbean Beach Resort, you can go to Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and then come back. That's so cool. Look at this. Hey guys, I just noticed something. There is a gondola sitting on the platform. Wow. See the gondola in the middle? There is a gondola right there. Try to get closer. We are a mom and dad team, guys. We love to do this right here. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for the new updated versions of our videos. Can you see the gondola in the middle there, guys? Look at that. Sorry, it's shaky. That is amazing. How can you beat that? Give credit to these construction workers up on those planks, doing all this work so all of us can have a good time. Gonna get a little shaky. I'm trying to pan in on that gondola. I'm actually in shock that we walked over here and there's an actual gondola on there. Look at that, beautiful. Perfect day to be doing this so we can share it with you guys. We're getting tons of messages and emails about this Skyliner construction. Look at this, it's amazing. Can't get enough of it. Can't wait to see this going. And I am totally still in shock that we actually come over here and there is an actual gondola sitting there tarped over. And it looks like it's attached. So there might be some test runs with one of those soon. Who says you can't come to Florida on vacation? Come to Disney in January. High 80s. A little bit of a breeze blowing. That's perfect. Perfect weather. This is amazing. I keep saying amazing because I'm just totally amazed at what we're seeing. Beautiful lake. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. There is a map of the locations. Look how beautiful this is.